everyone, we are TTM. We focus on sheet metal stamping dies, precision energy, and on-time stable delivery. We specialize in R&D and manufacturing automated stamping dies, covering 3 major dies:
progressing die, transfer dies, and tandem dies to meet diverse mass production requirements. Whether it is progressing dies for high-value production, transfer dies for large component forming, or tandem dies for low-value custom production, we provide tailored solutions balancing precision, efficiency, and cost. In accordance with materials for various automated structural components, we offer full coverage materials and process solutions. Our production materials needs align with mainstream industrial requirements. 15 5mm steels, 14 high strengths including DP steels, and 5% aluminum and stainless steels, the others. Our dies are widely used in the field of core automated components, including underbody parts, chassis parts, IPB, seat structures, bumper parts, as well as ABC pillar and other critical structural components for car bodies. They support the production of mainstream passenger vehicle models and meet the quality standards of automated manufacturing. TTM consistently serves the global automotive supply chain with high precision dies, stable production capacity, and customer solution. If you are interested in custom automated stamping dies or major manufacturing service, please feel free to contact us by message.